And now it's the time for header 3. This is a pretty header with full with background image. It also has a logo, and we already know how to change it, right? So we don't have to repeat it. And probably the first thing you want to change here is the image. To do that, select the header, and in Properties we have a property for the background image. Let's choose one. And just a side note, images should be located in your project folder or like in a subfolder of your project. Then in that case, Pinegrow knows how to do relative links, which will work also when you upload this page on the server or view it in the browser. Okay, looks nice, right? And we can change the text, so just double click on the text and start typing away. And same with subtitle. We can do the same for buttons. Just double click on a button and change the text. That's simple. And the header also has a special menu, which is shown when we click on this hamburger icon. And like it's very similar, like we had it with header 1 and 2. We can also change the menus by duplicating, deleting list items with the help of Pinegrow editing functions. And I guess the easiest way, like, okay, of course we can just again double click and change the text. Let's see if it still works. Yeah, it does. We could also go to like select the list item and go to edit code and change the code and the text and the icons. Of course, to change the link, we just select the link and we use the URL, and again we can link to content on the page. Let's do this quickly. The ID of this section is contact, so to link, let's link contact. We just put contact here and refresh the page, and we get down. Okay, so one thing we can notice kind of got mixed up now. The menu is open all the time. Even if we preview the page in the browser, you see the menu is there. So the reason why this happened is we used inline editing with double click when we were editing the menu. And then some of the temporary styles which tell the browser that the menu is open got saved in the source. So that's why for these dynamic elements it's safer to use edit code. And this will not happen when we use edit code. So, but now this happens, so let's see how we can solve the problem. So let's select, find the code, and you see these are the inline styles which are causing this problem. So I'll just delete both of them and we should be okay. Let's try. refresh, yeah. So that's a way how to get out of this situation if it happens to you. Okay, so one more thing we can do here. Like now everything looks nice because the background is light. How about if we select a dark background? Then black colors don't work anymore. You can't see. So we can select the heading 1 and then we can use block options. We have text colors, for example white, to change the color of the text. Slightly less white. And we also can change the type of buttons to find different colors which might work better on this background. And of course we can also change our logo, like put a light color version instead of dark one. Maybe one more thing, what to do if we just need one button? So easy, let's remove the one we don't need, and then we can use Bootstrap column controls to center the button which is left. And we can also connect this button with like scroll to that it will take us to a section on our home page. So let's hook it up to contact and let's view the page in the browser. Apply, and we went down to the contact.